Where's everyone? Why is it dark? Hello? What is that sound? How is it raining? Are those bats? Where's the wind coming from? We're in the basement. Hello? Oh!
Is everything okay? What happened? Oh, I was just joking. I don't know. Dušan, it was a joke. There's no ghosts. There's no rain. It's a basement.
Pow! That's not all, folks, because we're back. And we're going to talk to you about why you should have a healthy diet. Fine. Not this week. But we are going to talk to you about how you can create your own sound effects for your films using Foley.
As we spoke about in our genre series, we're looking at what makes certain genres so iconic. And certainly for some genres, it's the sound effects that you use in the films. So this week, we're going to have a look at how you can make some horror sound effects for your film on a budget. So let's try it. So let's set the scene. It's a horror film, so we're thinking you probably dark atmosphere, maybe some rain.
Lightning.
So let's think about the background noise. We're going to try and make some rain. So we've got some rice and we've got a metal tray. So we're going to try and make some rain.
It's nighttime. It's a dark alley. And you're walking in a trench coat and it starts to rain. Oh my god. Who is that? Is that Humphrey Bogart? Or Meryl Streep?
Coming on the window. And then maybe it starts to rain more.
Now you're just pouring rice. So remember to be creative, okay? We got this cup of coffee for a small amount of money. And now we're gonna make it sound like a door is creaking.
So let's picture the scene. You've walked into the old house through the creaking door because it's raining outside, and then maybe some bats fly out of the corner of the room.
Bats!
And how do you make the sound?
How?
Well, we're gonna show you how. It's an umbrella! We're gonna show you how. With an umbrella. Take it. So, another trope of horror films could be the gore that you find in horror films, and you can't really go around stabbing people just to get the sound effect. So we found a solution. You need an orange or another kind of fruit, and then something to stab it with. So, it's been a stressful day. Let's try and take it out on the orange.
Well, there's different kinds of veggies and fruits you can use to make horrible sounds, as you've all witnessed before in this video. But we decided to use a carrot to show you what it sounds like when somebody's bones are being broken. Oh god. So look out for more Foley videos that we might do in the future, using different objects and foods to bring you horror and gore.
Mostly foods.
Yeah.
Oh, and if you can come up with your own, let us know, because they're useful for everyone and we can give them a go. Maybe you're... No. Okay.
Well, that was good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And scene.